We
bought
bought
a
a
house!
We are excited to share with you that we bought our new built condo. It is an amazing feeling. We waited for 2 years to prepare and to be able to have this already. It's been 5 months in the making. For the last 5 months, we were anticipating of this one to be built, and now we are so ecstatic to share it with you guys that it took us a long time, but it was all worth to wait. We didn't have any luxury unboxings or luxury travels in the past 2 years because of this condo. We have to tighten our belts with our spending, and we were able to do so, and now all our credit cards are all paid off and frozen for 2 years, but now it's time to spend it all. We are happy to share this momentous event in our life with you guys. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos that we're going to have. We will share with you our journey in getting this condo from the start to the end.